Welcome to Classic Cars Click, the place where classic cars live on and history keeps rolling down the road. We're here to bring you the best in automotive history, restorations, reviews, and the sound of engines roaring. And enjoy.
Number 1. This 1972 Cadillac DeVille sedan, priced at $6,500 without the Vogue tires or $7,550 with them, is highway-ready and powered by a strong 472 V8 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, known for its durability and seamless shifting. It comes equipped with working power windows, a factory radio that still functions, a new vinyl top, and decent paint. Recent upgrades include a new gas tank, electronic distributor, master cylinder, brakes and hoses, timing chain, flow masters, 4-flute radiator, 658 Obra carburetor, alternator, shocks, and tires. This Cadillac offers an excellent mix of performance and classic luxury. Number 2. This 1961 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, priced at $7,000 in Melbourne, Florida, is a promising classic project powered by its original 300 V8 engine and Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, known for smooth shifting and durability. It has 65,000 miles and includes a new carburetor, starter solenoid, and fresh plugs. Although it is not currently running, the engine cranks and only needs a carburetor tune. The body has typical rust in the trunk and quarter panels, and the interior needs restoration. The paint was stained in a barn fire, but the car itself was never damaged. Price is negotiable based on updates. Number 3. This 1977 Plymouth Grand Fury Brougham, priced at $6,000 in Bucis, Ohio, blends muscle and style with a strong 360 V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission, known for its smooth and durable performance. Recent upgrades include a new starter, carburetor, fuel sending unit, headers, and a dual exhaust system. Originally equipped with a soft top, it has since been removed and painted to match the rest of the body. While the cruise control and choke are not yet connected and the air conditioning needs final assembly, with parts included, it runs and drives well. Its rare green color combo adds classic appeal. Number 4. This 1977 Ford Thunderbird LX Coupe, priced at $7,750 in High Springs, Florida, is a striking blue-on-blue survivor with only 21,865 miles on the odometer, believed to be original. Powered by a reliable 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it offers smooth performance and classic 1970s style. The car is in solid overall condition with a clean title, making it an excellent choice for collectors or those seeking a vintage cruiser. With its bold styling and low mileage, this Thunderbird captures the elegance and presence that define the personal luxury coupes of its era. Number 5. This 1985 Dodge Diplomat, priced at $2,800 in Richwoods, Missouri, is an affordable classic with strong project potential. Equipped with a reliable 318 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, it starts, runs, and drives, making it a solid foundation for a budget-friendly build. Recent maintenance includes new rear brakes, though it still needs an exhaust and some cosmetic attention, including repairs to a dented driver's door and fender. The wiper arms and linkage also require reassembly. With a clean title and plenty of potential, this Diplomat is perfect for someone looking to restore a vintage sedan on a budget, sharp and full of character. Number 6. This 1985 Ford Mustang LX convertible is listed at $8,200 in Fort Myers, Florida, and delivers a thrilling open-top experience with serious performance upgrades. Under the hood is a 302 V8 featuring a cam, Holley 650 carburetor, 351 headers, a Posey rear end, and a shift kit paired with an automatic transmission. Previously restored and shown, it still runs and drives well despite some age-related wear. With a clean title and trade offers considered, this classic Mustang is a fun cruiser or the perfect base for further customization, if you're mechanically inclined. Number 7. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe could be your next big project at $5,750 in Clinton Township, Michigan. Powered by a 289 V8 4-barrel engine with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives, but the body and frame have significant rust and Bondo repairs. It is best suited as a donor car or a full restoration project. The seller recommends trailering the vehicle due to its condition. With a clean title included and a preference for in-person visits over additional photos, this classic Mustang holds great potential for a dedicated restorer. Number 8. This 1986 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, priced at $10,980 in Buda, Texas, is a one-owner K10 4x4 that's original and ready to hit the road. It runs and drives with a clean Texas title, and all factory gauges and the original radio are in working order. Power is delivered through an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and easy driving experience whether on or off the road. While the air conditioning and heat are currently non-functional, the necessary parts are included. It also has new belts, a power steering hose, and needs a front drive shaft U-joint. Number 9. This 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $8,500 in Washington, Illinois, captures the spirit of the muscle era with its 350 small block V8 paired to a turbo 350 automatic transmission, offering dependable shifting and classic performance. It rides on brand new tires and runs well, making it a functional driver while still leaving room for personalization. Though the body could use cosmetic attention and fresh paint, it can still be enjoyed on the road as is. The seller is not in a rush to sell, simply gauging interest while focusing on another project. A solid builder or weekend cruiser, a true California survivor. Number 10. This 1971 Ford F-250 Sport Custom is priced at $8,500 in Apollo, Pennsylvania, and packs a strong 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifts and classic truck performance. It runs, drives, and stops reliably. Though the older paint and unfinished interior show, it still has room for improvement. The seat has been redone for comfort, and a new sliding rear window has been installed. While not quite ready for long-distance travel, it's a great candidate for restoration or local cruising. Cash-only deal for a solid vintage pickup. Number 11. This burnt orange 1984 Ford Mustang GT convertible, priced at $8,500 in Sebastian, Florida, is a garage-kept Florida classic that blends vintage charm with serious performance. Under the hood is a bored-over 5.0 engine with forged pistons, trick flow heads, a trick flow stage 2 cam, and a Holley 650 double pumper. It's mated to a Tremec T5 manual transmission, delivering power through 3.73 gears for an engaging and responsive drive. Built for the strip or street, it comes with drag wheels wrapped in Mickey Thompson radials, a low cage with a 5-point harness, and strange adjustable rear shocks. Clean title. Number 12. This 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, priced at $8,500 in Atlanta, Georgia, features a clean body and a rust-free frame, making it an excellent foundation for a G-body build or restoration. It's powered by a 350 engine with both fuel injection and a carburetor setup, paired with an automatic transmission for easy driving once running. Although the car currently does not start, It remains a one-owner vehicle with a clean title. The seller is firm on the price or open to best offers, presenting a solid opportunity for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic. Number 13. This 1983 Buick LeSabre Custom, priced at $7,500 in Yazoo City, Mississippi, is a turnkey sleeper with a swapped 2005 5.3 L V8 engine, paired to a 4L60E automatic transmission, showing just 24,355 miles. It runs and drives well, offering modern performance in a classic full-size sedan. Finished in matching burgundy inside and out, it's both subtle and stylish. The seller is open to trades for motorcycles or G-body cars, but not interested in family vehicles or lowball offers. A great choice for cruising or a custom build. This LeSabre blends vintage looks with upgraded muscle, full of potential and muscle car spirit. Number 14. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova in BTO, Florida, is a solid project coupe priced at $6,000. It features a 350 engine and includes a second performance-built 350 for an additional $1,000. Paired with an automatic transmission, it's a great base for a restoration. To get it running, it needs a few minor parts like a distributor cap, rotor, and power steering reservoir. One rust repair has been started, but left unfinished. The interior is mostly good, aside from a cracked dash. It comes with new tires and limited edition rims, and must be towed. A great weekend cruiser. Number 15. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro is priced at $8,000 in Cleveland, Texas, and remains mostly stock with a 305 V8 engine, paired to an automatic transmission for smooth, reliable driving. The body is straight with only minimal rust, and its unique blue exterior with a contrasting red interior gives it real presence on the road. It runs and drives well, making it ready for more miles or a custom touch. The seller holds a clean title and is open to trades for cars, trucks, or Harleys, offering plenty of flexibility for interested buyers.
That's it for today. If you love classic cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep the engine running, keep the wheels turning, and keep the classic cars alive, because legends never die. See you soon.